Hello everyone, welcome to English Through Everything. Today, you will learn 40 common English sentences that you can use in daily life. Let's get started.
1. Good morning. 2. How are you? 3. I'm fine, thank you. 4. Nice to meet you. 5. What's your name? 6. My name is John. 7. Where are you from? 8. I'm from Sri Lanka. 9. Please sit down. 10. Thank you very much. 11. You're welcome. 12. Excuse me. 13. I'm sorry. 14. No problem. 15. See you later. 16. Have a nice day. 17. What time is it? 18. It's 5 o'clock. 19. I'm hungry. 20. I'm thirsty. 21. Can you help me? 22. Of course. 23. I don't understand. 24. Please speak slowly. 25. Could you repeat that? 26. I agree. 27. I don't agree. 28. That's a good idea. 29. Be careful. 30. Don't worry. 31. I'm busy. 32. I'm free now. 33. Let's go. 34. Wait a minute. 35. I'm ready. 36. That's amazing. 37. Congratulations. 38. Good luck. 39. Take care. 40. See you tomorrow.
Great job. Now you know 40 common English sentences for daily life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.